समंदर हमेशा स्पेशल रहा है बॉम्बे के लिए. What is that
This
for
is
you?
wake up Sid. Yeah. That's true. I mean, the best thing about Bombay, the best thing about Mumbai is the sea.
मुंबई आते ही मुझे कोई मिला, एक लड़का, दोस्त, कंपेनियन.
I would say beware. मतलब आते ही मिल गया तो मतलब थोड़ा रुक के देखना चाहिए कि क्या और कौन कौन आ रहा है. You know, I take time. I like to take time. I like to take things slow. And I like to take my time. I can't instantly become best friends with anybody, you know.
आपने हमारे अंदर प्यार की जो आग ज्वाला है उसको जलाया है. How do you define love? What's your definition of it?
There should be an openness, you know, and an ability to hold space and grow together, to accept them. You can't expect them to make you happy.
What are your 3 songs of yours which are favorite?
There's one, I mean, of course, Iktara is definitely up there. Metro in Dino had some great songs.
Yeah.
Ajan actually was also a great album.
Ishq Hua.
Ishq Hua, yeah.
This is what we know about Konkona, that she is somebody जो अच्छी फिल्में करती हैं. But how Konkona Sharma is, you know, in general, कैसी हैं आप? How do you define yourself?
I don't think we have to. Because, I mean, why should I define myself? I can also keep changing.
When the film came to you, the offer, you know, came to you, were you skeptical about the show?
I was very happy to be offered this. I knew it's a solid role. It's a solid story. Hi, I'm Konkona and you're watching me on Filmy Beat.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with Ase Adi.
Welcoming Konkona Sen Sharma to Filmy Beat. This is me, Ase Adi. And जितनी तारीफ की जाए आपके काम की, कैलिबर की और आपकी पर्सनालिटी की, वो कम ही है. From making us fall in with the love stories to making us fall in with the craft that you've done, and thank you so much for choosing such films.
Thank you.
We feel very special about it.
How sweet. That's a very nice intro. Thank you so much.
But now मर्डर केस की बात कर लेते हैं.
जी.
बहुत ही चर्चित मर्डर केस जो है नैना का, that is all coming in. When the film came to you, the offer, you know, came to you, were you skeptical about the show, or you were like, ठीक है, let me process the film, let me see the script, and then I'll decide what to do about it?
एक्चुअली जब ये ऑफर आया था ना तो ये तो मुझे पता था कि ये एक एडेप्टेशन है ऑफ एन ओल्डर शो. तो एक तो डेनिश शो है फॉरबिडन, बहुत पुरानी, एंड उसका एक अमेरिकन रीमेक भी हुआ है, द किलिंग. तो मैंने देखा था वो, तो आई न्यू इट वाज, यू नो, अ वेरी गुड स्टोरी, very good story, especially that banter between the two cops.
Yeah.
The older, more experienced female cop and the younger, newer male cop. That is actually what I really remember. Because that was providing some relief or some. It was an interesting dynamic, you know.
Apart from the main case,
apart
which was
because the main case is quite dark.
Yeah.
But even main case में it was very engaging. The story was very engaging. तो ये जब आया तो मैं बहुत खुश थी because original जो character है, Detective Sarah Lunt, she is actually, she has her own cult following. She's very popular, and she's one of the OG complex female detective characters. उसके बाद बहुत सारे आए हैं वैसे. तो I was very happy to be offered this. I knew it's a solid role. It's a solid story. It was with applause and Jio Hotstar. It had a great cast. Rohan Sippy was directing it. So of course I read the episodes, but I was very happy to sign it on.
And is this your way of taking and saying yes to any of the project? And what is your process? I'm very curious to know.
ऐसा कुछ process है नहीं वैसे. One major indication is script कितना engaging है. क्योंकि स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ते पढ़ते कभी कभार अगर आप ही बोर्ड हो रहे हो और कि मतलब ठीक है मन नहीं कर रहा है पढ़ने, तो then you feel कि अच्छा maybe it's not such an engaging story. You know, so at least the script should be interesting. So that is definitely one thing which helps. Character कैसा है, मतलब एकदम फ्लैट वन डायमेंशनल कैरेक्टर है या थोड़ा मतलब कुछ चेंज आता है, कुछ बदलाव आता है उस कैरेक्टर में, तो दैट रियली हेल्प्स. दैट इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. डायरेक्टर कैसा है, को स्टार्स कौन है, कौन सा प्लेटफॉर्म में आ रहा है, ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, यू नो, यू कंसिडर ऑल दीज थिंग्स.
This is what we know about Konkona, that she is somebody जो अच्छी फिल्में करती हैं. कमाल की एक्टिंग है, कोई डाउट नहीं है उसमें. जनता की तारीफें हमेशा बटोर लेती हैं. There is no question about it. But how Konkona Sharma is, you know, in general, कैसी हैं आप? I love the simplicity that you've carried today also. How do you define yourself?
It's hard to define yourself, and I don't think we have to. Because I mean, why should I define myself? I can also keep changing. I'm not the
And there are
same
moods
person.
also that sometimes you just feel like wearing something very cool, sometimes too western, too
Oh, acha, are we talking
yeah.
about
The
clothes?
personality in clothes. That way.
Clothes में I have to say that I think that I'm very fashionable and elegant.
You are.
But no, I'm not very fond of like sequency gowns and things like that personally. I love this oversized fashion of today.
Yeah.
I love sneakers. It's come in very handy with my 40s. It's very comfortable. I love an understated sophistication by and large.
क्योंकि आपने हमारे अंदर प्यार की जो आग ज्वाला है उसको जलाया है सालों सालों तक. How do you define love? What's your definition of it?
Definition of love.
Or like maybe understanding of it.
Okay, I think the definition or understanding of love would be that when you kind of accept the other person for who they are, and you don't have you accept them for who they are, and also that you're ready to kind of grow
With them.
grow with them, because I don't think that one should come into any kind of love, not just romantic, but even filial,
Yeah.
between parents and children, or between friends, which is
True,
such an
true.
important, friendship is such an important thing for me, definitely. There should be an openness, and an ability to hold space and grow together, to accept them. You can't expect them to make you happy. मतलब that is one thing I think we expect कि ये बहुत गलत चीज़ है कि ये आएगा मेरी लाइफ में और मुझे खुश कर देगा, मैं खुद अपनी खुशी की जिम्मेदारी नहीं लूँ, ये गलत बात है.
That's there, and at the same time, things have changed for a lot of people now, especially the new audience that we see, Gen Zs.
हाँ.
They are total different. जो lot है वो आ गया है. तो उनके लिए तो बड़ी मशक्कत है आजकल फिल्मों पर स्टिक रहना और पूरी फिल्म एक स्ट्रेच में देखना. एक ज़माना जब थिएटर में भाई लोग जाते थे एंड 4-4 घंटे लगा कर आते थे. So that is also there. Is it something which bothers you, or you're like, I have done my job, अब तो जनता के ऊपर है जो है.
It doesn't bother me too much because
Of course, it will always bother the producer, but ठीक है.
Because I know that the producer is going to take it into account, na?
No.
Like that's their job, and it's not my area of expertise. मैं क्या ही कर सकती हूँ. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं business बहुत अच्छे से समझती हूँ. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं और बहुत ज़्यादा interest है भी नहीं उसमें मेरा. I am more creative person. I like to kind of I try to do my job well, get an understanding of the character, arrive, come on time, learn my lines, do my work properly. मतलब मेरा तो यहाँ तक ही है. I think the producers and I think neither Applause, Jio, Hotstar, none of these people would have wanted to do this if they didn't see some business potential in it, I guess.
Yeah, of course, there's no question about it.
So we leave it to them.
Yeah. क्योंकि हमने देखा है आपके क्राफ्ट को, है ना, कोई उसमें शक वक्त मैंने जैसे बोला है ही नहीं. But how do you spend your day? Like, what's your relaxed day like?
I love to spend time on my own. I find that मतलब वो करने का चांस ही नहीं मिलता मुझे ज़्यादा.
To be a bit आलसी sometimes, है ना?
I mean, alone. I said alone, you said आलसी. But I don't think it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But I then within alone you can, if you want to be आलसी for some time, you needn't. But I like spending a few hours on my own every day because only then you can kind of think your thoughts. Because otherwise, you're with people continuously. I find it very exhausting after a time.
Being with भीड़ भड़का.
Being with people all the time, I find it exhausting. I find it difficult. Yeah.
But ऐसे अपने से बातें, अपने साथ समय तो is all fun. Like, is there something which is your staple daily routine that you do that maybe, like for me, it's like waking up and having my chai for an hour. I'll have that 1 घंटे के लिए इत्मीनान से, so that I can process how my day is going to be like. Something that you've got?
Wow. No, I don't have that kind of leisure कि उठ के 1 घंटा में दूँ, मतलब है ही नहीं है think उतना time. And अगर सो पाऊँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हो जाती हूँ because मतलब I don't always get as much sleep as I want, and I'm very greedy always कि sleep should be enough and restful. But what I really enjoy in my everyday routine? Usually I shower in the evenings or at night once I'm done with the day. and I like to actually listen to a podcast while having a shower, and that I find is one of the most relaxing times of the day.
And you do it audio podcast you're talking about, no?
Yeah.
On Spotify and all? Refer some of
I
that
do
to
not
people.
want to take the name of a brand, but there are many places you can hear podcasts.
And what kind of genre it is like? That is
Oh, I
interesting.
love history, science, health, culture.
While taking shower, you listening mysteries and all. Bhai, very डरावना.
History.
History. ठीक है.
History, not mystery. Yeah.
Science also.
Science, history, yeah,
Fun.
psychology, all kinds. I like to learn things, it distracts me.
That too of different genres that
Yeah.
apart from acting जो
Yeah,
आपको.
culture,
Very
arts and
fun.
culture.
How do you read people? That is also very important. As an actor, you know, that's very important. कि भैया चलो scene वीन सब ठीक है, but reading people,
क्या
reading
ठीक है?
scene वीन सब
हाँ,
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Reading people and reading the room is also something which comes with the time only. It cannot come like, oh, अभी मैं 20 साल का हूँ, अभी मुझे आ गया, ऐसा नहीं होता. So what is your way of that?
That's such an interesting question. I think as an actor, our most important tool, for me, I don't know about other people, but for me, the most important tool is yourself.
Yeah.
Because you always have yourself to observe. अच्छा मैं ऐसे गुस्सा करी हूँ इतनी जल्दी से और जब मैं रोती हूँ मैं ऐसे दिखती हूँ और you know whatever it is like देखो मैं कितना जल्दी excited हो गई you know so one always has oneself to observe. I think that really helps and that's a great tool. When it comes to reading a room, I'm quite good at reading a room by and large. You know, that I can tell. And then you have to decide, do you want to disrupt the room? Do you want to blend into the room? It depends on your mood on
I want
that
to just
day.
exit the room sometimes.
You want to exit the room. Many times it's just that. With people, with human beings, you know, it's best not to read them too quickly.
Yeah.
Because people take time. People are different on different days. They've come with different baggage.
Yeah.
There's no point reading people too quickly. With people, you have to give them a little time.
That's so wonderful. It does not happen usually. People read people very quickly and then they have a perception about them.
People, what they do, they can do. I'm talking about myself.
That is interesting. I'll give you some of the dialogues, which are, of course, 2 dialogues that I've picked up, and you have to react on the dialogues and whatever comes to your mind. मुंबई आते ही मुझे कोई मिला, एक लड़का, दोस्त, companion. From Wake Up Sid.
मुंबई आते ही मुझे
कोई मिला.
I would say beware. मतलब आते ही मिल गया तो मतलब थोड़ा रुक के देखना चाहिए कि क्या और कौन कौन आ रहा है.
But when you were here, you didn't find people very easily?
Yeah, I found people. I've always, touch wood, always found people easily. But I take time. I like to take time. I like to take things slow.
Oh.
And I like to take my time. I can't instantly become best friends with anybody,
Oh, wonderful.
मतलब I'm always like friendly, polite and all, but थोड़ा time लगता है. It takes me time.
समंदर हमेशा स्पेशल रहा है बॉम्बे के लिए. What is that for you?
This is Wake Up Sid. Yeah. That's true. I mean, the best thing about Bombay, the best thing about Mumbai is the sea. I think that, and I wish that it was a little more accessible and a little more kind of built into because it's a coastal city. And
Yeah.
I wish the beaches were a little more public with eating places where people could. I mean, of course, people can still go, but then it's not always very conducive to being clean. That
But
is
you know,
there.
अभी आप कभी जाते हो, कभी मन किया तो types
कम ही जाती हूँ honestly, बहुत कम जाती हूँ.
बहुत कम. साल में
कम
एक
जाती
time.
हूँ मतलब अगर when we get to see it from our homes, from the car, that's always, and especially at sunset time. Actually, sunset is one of my favorite times of day. Yeah.
ठीक है. एक लव एडवाइस भी ले लेता हूँ. साथ साथ जेंजी थे, उन्होंने मुझे डीएम किया तो पूछ लेता हूँ. He is already dating somebody and facing difficult to understand the person. What is your advice of love to them?
Oh, dating someone and finding it difficult to
Understand the relationship and the
Oh.
equation.
So finding it difficult to understand. मतलब कितना टाइम हुआ है इन लोगों का?
That-
1 महीने, 1 साल,
6-7 महीने.
6-7 महीने.
It's not my question, just in case. हाँ.
नहीं, but I have to understand ना.
हाँ.
नहीं तो मैं गलत
I'm
advice
giving
दे
you
दूँ तो-
proper details.
हाँ,
6-7.
I'm understanding the case.
हाँ.
6-7 महीने हो गया and फिर भी मतलब मुश्किल हो रहा है to understand, तो मतलब I would say कि take it easy,
Understand
meet
someone
some
else.
other people.
Just understand someone else.
Understand, see if you can understand someone else. Yeah.
ठीक है.
I feel like as long as you're relaxed and having fun, you know, feeling safe, having fun, these are good green flags.
And love also, I guess, take time to understand it is love. Quickly हम लोग आ जाते हैं conclusion पे that it's
I
love.
think it takes time.
है ना? The love of audience that you've got was quick and yet something which has continued with the time. There's no doubt about it. Coming back to the case, of course, was there something which was very interesting apart from the banter that you mentioned for the shows? कुछ और भी है मजेदार?
I think the case has been constructed very well. The case has been constructed very well, as in, you know, every time there's a new suspect coming and then they are put aside and another suspect is coming, then, you know, that is kept aside. So that is something which is very engaging continuously. And you get to see many different worlds. मतलब एक तो मतलब संयुक्ता दास my character, मतलब उनका life है. फिर, you know, the college life of these kids, whether it's my daughter who's 16 years old or the victim who's just about 18 or something, you know, there's a similarity between these two worlds. मतलब आजकल की ये मतलब young generation कैसे their digital lives, you really get a sense college में क्या चल रहा है थोड़ा बहुत. Even in the world of politics, that is also there, you know, so you get to see many different worlds actually, which is very interesting.
What is music for you, ma'am?
What is music for me?
Yeah.
See, music can be many things. Actually, no. Sometimes it's just nostalgia.
Yeah.
And you know, I'm that kind of person कि मतलब if I like a song, na, I'll hear it 100 times and choose all the fun from it, and then I'll probably never listen to it again. Or if I listen to it, it's not that much fun. So it depends, you know. I mean, there are times when and I don't like to just always have music on in the background.
Okay.
I don't like that. I listen to music very consciously, and I also come from the time when we used to listen to albums.
Yeah.
We didn't listen to playlists that other people have made. ऐसे नहीं सुनते म्यूजिक, मतलब मुझे ऐसा पसंद नहीं है कि मतलब कुछ एल्गो बता रहे कि ये गाना सुनो फिर ये गाना सुनो, मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है. मुझे मतलब मुझे जो सुनना है मैं वही सुनूंगी.
What are your 3 songs of yours which are favorite?
3 songs of mine that are my favorites. Should I look at my playlist? I don't know what are my 3 favorite songs. Hang on.
Aadha Nachle was a good album.
Aaja Nachle was a great album. But are you talking about my films?
Yeah, only your films and your favorite.
Music what I listen to. Acha. Okay. From my, I don't even remember. I don't even know. Okay. There's one. I mean, of course, Iktara is definitely up there. Metro in Dino had some great songs.
Yeah.
The song that I love, I've forgotten the name of.
But from the recent one.
Yeah,
from the recent
one. Beautiful songs. Kaide Se was a beautiful song. There's so many beautiful songs in that. Aaja Nachle was also a great album.
Ishq Hua.
Yeah. Wasn't Ore Piya one of them? I don't know. Let's go with Ishq Hua.
Ore Piya is also fine.
Ore Piya, that's the one I was going to say. Yeah.
We're fighting.
I actually don't remember these things.
Yeah.
I don't remember these things.
Sometimes do you even sit and check, oh, I've done this. This is also me.
No, not at all.
अच्छा, you don't do it?
No.
ऐसा achievement महसूस करने के लिए कभी नहीं?
No.
You checked.
I was like, do I do that? No, I don't think so. I don't think I go back and revisit like that.
Even for your acting.
I can't bear it actually. Even my own interviews, I can't bear to watch. I'm like, oh my God, why is she talking? What is the sound of this voice? Oh my God. I mean, it's very cringeworthy. I don't like to go back and listen to my interviews or go back and watch my own films and all. I don't like to at all. I just be like, oh, that's over. It's not happened. Whatever. Let's move on.
तो आपने अपनी लास्ट कौन सी फिल्म देखी है?
मैंने सर्च थोड़ा बहुत देख लिया, तो स्किम करके यहाँ वहाँ.
Of course, because this interview is all about search.
No, because it's the most recent.
That is there.
So it's a truthful answer.
Have you ever Googled yourself?
I have Googled myself. Yeah, I have Googled myself. I mean, because somebody's told me about some article. I also have Google Alerts.
Yeah.
Google Alerts होता है ना कि you should know कि what is coming out. तो एक वो आ जाता है कि क्या क्या आया है. फिर वो जाके सब चेक नहीं करना है, but आ जाता है वो inbox में. I don't have a publicist or anything. I only have Google Alerts.
From there you get to know what is being published about you.
if I choose to read it, mostly I don't read it because often it's also, I find nowadays it's so badly written, I can't tell you.
Yeah.
I'm appalled by the level of writing. And then it's also the same article,
Yeah.
which is just like different, like not even really differently written in like maybe 10 places. So then, like, what are you going to read? You just see the headlines and you can.
The headline में कुछ और आता है, then they'll
And
have
the headline too is out of context and doesn't, you know, the headline is so often out of context, like just for like, you know,
clickbait.
some, yeah, clickbait.
Then वो आर्टिकल में पूरा बताएंगे कोंकणा was born here and all of that. Then cut to the जो उनको मुद्दे पे बात करनी है, 2 लाइनें लिखेंगे, फिर then recent film ये की है, she was seen here and all of that.
Yeah, so it's very bad. The quality of writing there is very bad. Very disappointing.
पर आप डिसअपॉइंट नहीं होंगे हमारे इस प्रोजेक्ट से जो कोंकणा ने बहुत दिल से किया है. There's no doubt about it. I've always heard this that you put a lot of yourself and sweat in your
Yeah,
work.
yeah. I mean, I work hard and I try to do my best for sure. Obviously, पैसे ले रहे हैं, काम तो अच्छे से करना चाहिए. सबको.
Ever rejected something just for money? कम है तो जाने दो ऐसा. नहीं.
If I've rejected it for money, it's obviously because I've not actually wanted to do it also too much.
Then you demand more. मना करने का तरीका.
ऐसा कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है, मतलब.
It varies on the people also who's offering.
Yeah, it depends.
With that, what is your message to people? They've been searching for the search, and we've been waiting, you know, to read all about it when it's out, to see all about it. What is your message?
My message is कि ये बहुत ही interesting एक show है. Search the Naina Murder Case, Jio Hotstar पे है. I really hope you guys will like it. We had a great time shooting it, and I think you'll find it very engaging.
With that, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.